You might know Ally as that bank with the catchy jingles and the do it right slogan, but did you know its story began with General Motors? And how did a company founded to finance cars evolve into a major online bank with its own brokerage platform? Let's dive in. From GMAC to Ally. Ally's journey is a tale of transformation. For decades, it was known as General Motors Acceptance Corporation, or GMAC for short. Founded in 1919, its sole purpose was to provide financing for GM vehicles. Fast forward to the 2008 financial crisis. GMAC was on the brink of collapse and received a massive government bailout. This was a turning point. In 2010, the company rebranded as Ally Financial to signal a new beginning and a shift from being a captive finance arm of GM to an independent digital financial services provider. This rebrand wasn't just cosmetic, it was about building a new identity centered on being a transparent, customer-focused ally in people's financial lives. Becoming a public company. A key step in this transformation was Ally's initial public offering, IPO. After years of delays, Ally went public on the New York Stock Exchange in April 2014 under the ticker symbol Ally. This was a huge milestone, as it allowed the U.S. Treasury, which had provided the bailout funds, to begin selling its stake and recouping its investment. Ultimately, the Treasury was able to recover more than it had invested, a rare success story from the financial crisis bailouts. The IPO solidified Ally's position as an independent, publicly traded company. Expanding through acquisitions. To expand its offerings beyond auto loans and basic banking, Ally has strategically acquired other companies. One of the most significant was the acquisition of TradeKing Group in 2016 for approximately $275 million. This was Ally's entry into the investment and wealth management space. TradeKing, an online brokerage, was rebranded as Ally Invest, allowing Ally to offer a single platform for both banking and investing, a major competitive advantage. Another notable acquisition was Fair Square Financial in 2021 for $750 million. This move was crucial for re-entering the credit card market, a segment Ally had struggled with in the past. Fair Square, a digital-first credit card company, gave Ally a scalable platform and a seasoned team, complementing Ally's existing digital offerings and providing a new avenue for growth and customer acquisition. These strategic moves show how Ally has used acquisitions to build out its full-service digital bank model. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.